This is of uninstalling the old grill.
Grande. And down here.
Cool. So now, and then there's what, three bolts. You just gotta be careful for that one. Just 3.
1, 2, 3. No tens.
Just be careful with this one. Cool. Oh yeah, these clips.
Oh, you gotta make sure that the vent don't fall.
What's wrong with
There you go. What?
You have a sliders.
This is the carbon fiber piece from Aero carbon that goes on top the hood, which I think is a nice, it's a pretty piece and everything, but I think it's a 2-piece carbon and stuff.
Looks really good. It's a really good looking piece. But overall, yeah, it's definitely gonna look nice with the hood.
Well, let me get to it
And put it in.
Install it on the car.
Alright, so now you just gotta slide. Just be careful. Put this. I got it. Slide these up in place. So you slide this one in.
Maybe this way. I don't know.
Yep, just like that.
Look at this one slide.
There we go.
Alright.
You sponsor you? Alright.
That's it?
Yep. Just gotta make sure it's straight and where you want it to be. Over here in the hole.
Wow, that's the one that's up in the hole, huh?
So we already tightened this one up already, so that one's good.
This is just untightening.
Yeah, how does it look?
Let me see how it looks.
Is it good on the hood?
Cool. Right there, one groove.
There we go.
From way up there, man.
Yep. So there it is. It's installed. Looks good. But looks good. Hey guys, round 2 again. Wanted to get you guys a daytime video. As you guys can see, the APR Performance carbon fiber air dam front lip is on, and then I wanted to get you guys a video of how the fitment of the Aero carbon, they call it a hood scoop, is. I call it kind of like a hood grill, but they call it's actually a hood scoop, but it looks like this. And this is Aero carbon right here. In the daytime, the fitment is on point, guys. I could definitely say that. And then on the back of it, it doesn't clip back in again, but it has like these rubber guards that sit on top of the paint, and it kind of like hugs it down when you tighten up the bolt. So the fitment came out perfect. So that is pretty sick and dope. As you guys can see, we did PPF this part too. We reached out to somebody local. I know people were asking me that in the comments before. Yeah, we have a guy that PPF the whole car basically too. So he PPF this part for us, and he did the carbon fiber front lip as well. So he PPF this for us, and around the edges and everything he tucked. He even did inside the little middle pieces as well. As you guys can see, you can't see because it's like a clear film that protects it, but yeah. And the PPF has ceramic coating, so every time you wash the car it just beads up and everything. But as you guys can see, the edges sits very flush, still shining, as you guys can see. But this is a little bit more time. You guys can see that little bolt that we put in there, so it goes back into that same spot, which is pretty nice. And then they have their logo right here, Aero carbon. So, and you can see the corner of this snug properly and everything. And of course, all the water just goes into that little plastic scoop we put back in. It goes into that little scoop and it dumps down on the plastic, so it doesn't get on the intake, it doesn't get on any of the components of the car. It just goes straight down from that scoop, that water, and just goes below the plastic, which is pretty dope that they have that on this car, which is sick. But overall, yeah man, the carbon is immaculate, guys. As you guys can see, this thing came out freaking sick and amazing. So definitely this is a sick part for sure. And I'll put their Instagram in the description, because it's a guy out in Cali that actually makes these himself, and he's making a bunch of stuff for the Acura brand. I believe he got some stuff for the TLX as well. So definitely he did an amazing job. It came out pretty sick and dope. So definitely, so to hit him up and get one, I'll post his Instagram down in the description. And this is how both of them look. Try to get you guys an angle. It's probably kind of hard to see, but carbon on carbon, as you guys can see. And got the carbon lip. So you got the carbon lip, and you got the carbon hood scoop. Looks sick. But guys, definitely man, this thing is coming together real nice. Definitely, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Now we're gonna jump into installing the back seat protectors.
Welcome back to the channel. We got some new accessories for the Type S as usual, you know. So we got some stuff up there. We're gonna get into it in a little bit and show you what we have, and see if we could get them put on today or whatever. Might rain, but we're gonna see what we could do. I'm gonna go up here and show them what we have. Well, as you can see, we have the back seat protective shield for the back seat,
And that's the part number right there.
and over here we have a shift knob.
That's the upgraded one, the performance one.
Shift knob, what they have for the Type S. There we go. And also for the interior lighting, we got these.
So basically these are what? These are red LEDs. These are actually from what? The F05, the new Type R. The new Type R has red ambient lighting, but you can still use these same LEDs and change the Integra Type S from white to actual red. So that is pretty cool.
What we got here?
And that's gonna be the ambient light when you open up the door.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna show you guys how to install that today, step by step.
Oh, just like this is the puddle light.
The puddle light, yep.
Puddle light.
Yep.
Wow. Yeah.
It's gonna be a nice touch.
We got a lot of cool stuff here
to match the door sills we did in the other video.
Yep. And
I think you're gonna be excited about this.
And over here.
And then this is the part numbers for these. This is the puddle light. And then this is the LEDs. We have 7 of them. And then this is the shift knob part number. And then I think this is his favorite part.
Over here. We got this. Ooh, this is nice. Alcantara steering wheel.
Nice. It's definitely going to change up the feel of the car when you're driving it every single day.
Oh yeah. This is the goodies we have for you guys here today. We're going to try and see if we can get this stuff.
And then this might be the last accessories that we needed for the car. I think we have majority of everything.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
I think the only one we don't have is the LED Acura front grille one, which it's a hit or miss. It's not really, it's like a big preference thing if you really like it. There's the mirror caps, but yeah, it's a hit or miss, because especially you have like a dark color car like the car we have, the mirror caps look, the stock ones with the paint, it flows a lot, yeah, it flows a lot better. But overall we have all the accessories for the car.
And this one here,
and then that's the part number for the Alcantara steering wheel. So first things first, we're probably going to install the backseat protectors and knock it out, since that's taking up a lot of the space right now. So let's go ahead and throw that on.
Yep.
All right, let's go. So we got some stuff over here. Take these out real quick. Yep. Got the stuff out of here. Oh yeah, we also got these too as well. These are the trunk WeatherTech Master Assist Type S. But this came with the car, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and I didn't even know it came with this little net
one
too.
Of the accessories that came
so you have like your little microfibers over there.
Yeah.
And it already comes with LEDs in the rear. So we're gonna go ahead and he's gonna show you putting the back seats down and then sticking on the new back seat protectors. So even it's pretty nice. This is a lot of trunk space, and even when you fold it down, you even get more space. Possibly put like what, a 40-50 inch back here maybe. And then to put the seats down, I guess there's like a little thing on the top you just pull.
Yeah, you have a little clip right there.
Oh yeah, you just pull on that. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, and it has like a little flap at the bottom. That's pretty nice. So this is my dad's daily. He does drive this every single day. So, and as you guys seen in the previous videos, this thing is gonna get some more power, and the best thing part about the more power too is it gets way better gas mileage that he's getting now, which is pretty sick and dope. So you get the more power and better gas mileage. Moving up the seat. Cool. So you know what this car does remind me of? The Integra Type S. After looking at the Acura NSX Type S that I was looking at, it kind of reminds me of like the Acura NSX Type S, but like in a baby version, kind of, with the headlights, the same carbon spoiler and everything. It really is kind of like the NSX, but Type S would like a baby version of it. But you got to take the things off. So that's for the bottom piece, because it looks like that bottom piece over there falls down. Goes to the bottom of it. Yep. On the back of it, you just take off these little pieces.
Yeah, these little things there.
Yeah. So what I did was rip off the whole thing that has Velcro, which you're not supposed to do. Yep. On my Type R.
Oh, so you never put them on?
No, I took the whole thing off and just sticked it on.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know if I still have it or what I did with it, but yep. So he's just taking it off. What is it? There's a bunch on here. What, 7, 6, 7, 8? Yep. And then if you want it to be down some more,
Right there. Right there.
Cool.
Right there.
Yep.
No one fits. Like that. Right there like that, right?
Mm-hmm. You just gonna go on the other side?
Mm-hmm.
That's all of them?
That's all of them.
And the last piece right here.
This piece.
He's lining it up.
This little
And
piece
then
of
he's
them
taking the
up there.
sticky thing off.
That's it there.
Yep. So when you put the seat up, it should all be covered. Nice. Yep, that looks good. That was a neat idea of them having a two-piece. I like that. Cool. That looks pretty good.
And the matches.
Yeah, matches the Type S one. Yep. Cool. Have some protection back here. Nothing's gonna be sliding around and stuff. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. And you could I know mine says the little net. You can do the little net too if you wanted to get like one of those little cargo boxes and put supplies in it, and the net will hold it down. That'd pretty be neat too.
Yeah, you could. Should have the little
Hooks,
them
yeah.
opening.
Yep. Cool. So backseat protectors are done, guys. That's how they look. Very nice touch. Now you have the extra protection if you want to put extra stuff in here, and they won't slide around and move around, so that's pretty nice. All right, guys, so that's it for the end of the video. Comment below what's your thoughts on the Aero carbon. It's kind of like a tongue twister. Aero carbon fiber hood scoop for the Integra Type S. And what's your thought about the OEM backseat protectors from Acura? But that's it, guys. If you guys really like this video, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because we got a lot more stuff to share with you guys. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on what videos we have coming up soon, and some little secret stuff coming out that I haven't seen a video on, so definitely stick tuned for that. But that's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drive you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.